at the launch of the NACP review report by the Centre to Combat Anti-Corruption and Cronysm (C4 Centre, presentations on the state of corruption in the country as well as panel discussions were held on the fight against what has become an endemic issue. Questions were raised on how strong is the will of the government to tackle cases of grand corruption? How adequate are current policies that offer protection to whistleblowers? How aware is the younger generation of corruption in the country, and what is their take on corruption? C4 Centre CEO Pushpan Murugia and Head of Research and Policy Advocacy Arif Hamizan speak to Weekly Echo on the Whistleblowers Act.
The moment the Whistleblower Act came into place, we really identified many of the flaws. And that flaws has really been played out along the years. I think even recently the whistleblower from Sabah scandal kind of also illustrate the complications for a person coming forward with evidence to get protection. So I think that's a scenario that we are facing with, that the ongoing battle from the day it was incorporated till now is ongoing, and we still have to do a lot of work to realize on the current legal provisions. It's not a conducive environment for whistleblowers to come and expose corruption. So what we really need is a law or reform or amendments that really gives or empowers whistleblowers to come forward and provide evidence to go after corruption. Now, we need to create that space. It has to be a channel, a space, a conducive environment where anybody that has information will feel safe to come forward and expose corruption. Under Article 33 of UNCAC, the intention is to expose corruption and deal with corruption. So we need to create laws, space, zones where people, individuals can come forward and give you evidence that actually solves or goes after corrupt issues.
So the Sabah scandal really exposes how difficult it was for the whistleblower. The whistleblower, we know, has a very high-powered lawyer, is taking all the necessary steps to protect themselves, and yet still they are unable to obtain whistleblower protection. So I would say right now it is very difficult to rely on whistleblower protection until the laws themselves are reformed. So the steps that they are taking right now are probably one of the best types of legal advice that they could receive right now, because they put themselves in a perilous position if they comply. One of the main things which we could do to assist whistleblowers in this current environment is to repeal Section 203A. It provides a very harmful environment for whistleblowers. This is on top, of course, of reforming the Whistleblower Protection Act to ensure that whistleblowers can disclose improper conduct, not just to agencies, but also to other trusted institutions like their lawyers, CSOs, so that they don't lose their whistleblower protection.